Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mrinmay and today I'm going to start with my first tags. So before I proceed, thank you so much Deepika and Sharon for helping out with these questions. And I'm going to challenge Deepika to do this. It's not a challenge, just I want her to even do the same thing. So Deepika, you have to do all those 10 questions which I am doing in this whole video. And all my viewers, please watch this video till end because I'm coming with some good gift hamper. So here the 10 questions are, and I'm gonna go ahead with the same. My first YouTube video, so it was on 1st January 2016. It was just a rough attempt on being a vlogger because I want to be a vlogger like since long time. It's kind of my dream or something like that, but I think from the last few vlogs I think I'm not doing it well on YouTube, so I don't think I'm a good vlogger. But yeah, I want to go ahead with the vlogging itself. So my video, it was a private, I made it public again, so you can go and check it out. My Instagram post, so I'll be posting a picture. There's a picture over here, so can you see this picture? Yes. So this picture was posted on my Instagram on 16 Feb 2013. It was clicked in 2011. It was my junior college traditional day, and I was recently shifted to this new city, and I didn't have anything to wear traditional, so this was the only outfit I had, so I had to wear this. And it was clicked in Girgaon Chowpatty by it is clicked by Stephanie itself. My first job, so it's kind of internship and it's kind of a job as well. So it is I was a college club reporter for Mahachar Times, which is a Marathi language newspaper. So I used to write for columns for college club, like happenings in college and also college fest, college events, something some politics happening over there, some new rules are coming up or something different happening or some all that slot. So we used to write that for college club report. My major injury, my first major injury, so there's only one injury and that is a major injury. That is this cut. Can you see that? Yeah, so this is not something which I have made it. It's a cut. I fallen down from a bicycle. So it was my neighbor, who is again my neighbor now. We see in the same locality, so we used to not be good enough with each other, but that time he had a new cycle, and all of a sudden he asked me to, like, let's go and sit on the cycle. I know he won't like, if he's watching this, I'm sure he won't accept this thing, but the scenario was this. So I went with him for a ride, and then there was a slope, like the highest slope. So the slope, I fall down. So I went like जो film में दिखाता है ना, round and round and round and so literally went like that, and that road was like a rock type road. It wasn't a good slope or slot one. It had many rocks all over. So कच्चा रास्ता I mean. So because of that I got this, but I didn't got any stitches. Nothing happened. It was just band-aid and a dressing to be done, like, and I didn't even cry after getting this, but luckily my eyes were saved. So that's my major injury. My first periods, so I got my first periods in 2007. That is 18th of March. I still remember the day because there's a story, you know. I was in school, I was in 7th grade, and we had this last exam to be done, and during this day we 10th standard boards was going on. So we were shifted to some lab where we were sitting, and all of a sudden sitting on the stool wasn't my cup of tea. So still I can't sit on the stool properly for continuous class, so my back was aching, and I thought because of sitting on a stool which is high level stool, that's the reason my back is aching, because I don't have any support. And also I was complaining my teacher all the day, my back is hurting, I want to sit somewhere which I can like be really like take some good teka and all, and I can sit properly, but couldn't happen anything. But then in the end of the day, when I reached home, I realized that I got my periods, and I didn't cry because in school we had all this whisper girls talk sessions and everything. So we knew what was supposed to be happen or how you should take care and everything. I wasn't afraid about it. But yeah, I had a good celebration in our house. So here is a picture of that celebration. So basically in Maharashtrians or in maybe I don't know about other religion or other caste or something, but in my caste, in my religion, what we do is if a girl is getting her first periods or there is a celebration, so this all ladies come together, like all aunties and masis and all, they come together, they celebrate that girl's womanhood because she's a woman now, and they gift her some good things, like they give cash, they give some ornaments, jewelry and all that. And I was gifted a dress piece because back time people used to wear sari, but I'm not the one who was supposed to wear sari. Something I was just in 7th standard. So my atya, my tai, my aji, baba, they went and they brought me dress piece. Some of the aunties came, they gave me some cash, and my dada clicked this picture for me. And can you see the grumpy face all I have is because all the pain and I'm wearing all that, and it's like, why I have to do this? But it was like a memorable day, and we had a Gudi Padwa on the same day. So yes, this was my first period story. So my first photo shoot. So photo shoot. I have been clicked since I'm born. I would say this. Back then, my brother, he was learning this photography. He was taking lessons, and the only first model he could do modeling for a particular child or anyone he could do was me and my elder sister. It was her and me always, but it started with me. So here are few pictures, or a picture where I am just 6 months or within a year kid, and I have many of the pictures which you can find on my Instagram. All my old pictures are there. So yes, that was my first photo shoot. My first celebrity crush. I am big time fan of Hrithik Roshan and Shahid and Vicky Kaushal. So yeah, so Vicky Kaushal, not a fan. No, first let's our first crush. So he is my first celebrity crush and always would be. And I still remember the day he got married. I was most saddest girl in the world. I must be just 3 years old or something, but इतना तो पता है शादी हो रही है, that is something big happening in her life or something. But I was the saddest person that time, and when I came to know he is divorced now, I was very happiest person in the world. I'm so sorry, but yes, I was, because I love him a lot. And I did meet him. It was shooting for a movie called Fizza, yes, which is with Karishma Kapoor. I guess she is his sister or something. That movie. That was a movie. I've seen it because it was shot in Moti Bindali Hospital back there, and I was lucky enough to see him and meet him. And after that, I saw him in Agnipath shooting, which there's the last scene where he gets married to Priyanka Chopra. I met him there at Babunath Temple. And yes, I have met him. I have interviewed Shahid. There's a link over here and I over there, so you can see that my interview with Shahid Kapoor, Anushka Sharma, and all the Badmaash Company gang up in the I button, or I will even input the this link of the video in the description box. Do watch it. So my first time you got into trouble. Okay. So I'm so sorry to the girl Karishma. I am so sorry. I'm saying it now because I realized back then, but it was a guilt in me that how should I say it and all. And it was a 5th standard. It was again and it was a time where we leave from the school around 3 o'clock or 3:30. So it was beginning of 5th standard. She was sitting next to me. She was my partner, and I don't know why I went angry on her, but what I did is I hit her badly. I gave a punch on her chest, and I was punished outside the classroom after the school was over, and my grandmom had came to pick me up, and I was so angry that I didn't even said sorry to her or anyone. I was that in that mood ki boss nahi, mujhe nahi, I had that attitude in fact. कि नहीं मुझे नहीं बोलना है सॉरी उसको, it was her mistake not my mistake, she made me angry. So since then my anger is the worst thing, and still now it is the worst thing. I know I should control it, but I can't control it. It's the worst for me. I can't control my anger. I'm good when people eat my head and they get into my nerves, and I'm the worst human being on the planet. First YouTuber I subscribe to. So I subscribe to a YouTuber that is Judy Travis, and congratulations, she is a mom again for the third time, and she needs some prayers. Please pray for her. She had some tough time while delivering a baby, and I guess till now they must be like on the safe and must be healthy right now, but still please pray for her. So the vlogging thing came from her. I used to see her a lot, and that made me think I should do a YouTube because that's my cup of tea. And my first college friend. So my first college friend, my college is an in-house college, like my school and my college has the same, what do you say, management. So it was very easy to get me admission in college, and my whole class, half of the class was from my school. So making them as a friends was like not my first friends, but I had a friend whom I met was a senior, but not exactly a friend, but the friend I made was Stephanie. So she is my first college friend, and I guess even I'm a first college friend. Yeah. And there's one more, there was Kitki as well, but I don't know who was first for her, Kitki or me. But yeah, for me, she is my first college friend since 2011. So yeah, that's it. So these are the 10 questions which I have done. Guys, I want you to subscribe my channel first, follow on my Instagram, and I'm gonna tell me what was the best questions answer in your below down in this comment. And once you're done all these 3, take a screenshot and send me at my DM on Instagram. So once all this is done, I will select one of the person who will get the gift hamper from Smitten. It's not a sponsored, it's me who is doing it. So the video which was uploaded previous to this video was a Smitten box haul. I would give that person the same box which I ordered for myself. So I want you guys to do this. Share this among all your friends, and tell them to watch this video, subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, and DM me all once this is done, and then this hamper is yours. So whatever is there in the box, you know it by now, and if you don't know it, then go on that video and see what all is that. I won't upload any picture over here, so please do it. Till then, see you in our next video. Bye bye.